Hey there! Welcome to our tutorial on using the Rewards Card Library. Start by accessing the Cards Library inside the Rewards feature. On the left, you have a list of countries where we have gift cards. It's important to note that users will only see cards for the countries they are in. If you have overseas employees, toggling on the relevant countries ensures that no border limits you from recognizing their accomplishments. As you toggle countries on and off, the display to the right will be adjusted accordingly. Once you select the countries you need, customize which gift cards users can use to exchange their tokens. Save your changes and start rewarding your employees for their accomplishments. To exchange tokens for selected gift cards as an employee, I'll enter the mobile app, go to the Profile tab, and select Use Tokens. Here, I can choose a gift card. For further assistance, please check our Help Center for more articles and videos. Thanks for watching.